Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the refer and earn function in the Airalo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the profile section, look for the refer and earn button and click on that. So as you can see, if you use this referral code here and get your friends to sign up for this application, then you both receive some amount of money. So you can do that by sharing it through Messenger, email, SMS, or you can just copy this code and send it on any platform. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.